Yeah, that's a train.
We're on the way to. This is the train. Bah, we gotta go. We're going to catch a 10:10 train, and it's 10:06. We gotta go. Ah!
This is what Instagram sees.
Busy, busy. Got matcha from this place, and Aisha's gonna get some coffee right now.
I'm not really a big fan of matcha and strawberry. Oh gosh.
She just doesn't like anything.
I like coffee, I don't like the matcha.
Manis, mantap.
So we are now heading to Brooki Bakehouse. Me and Atika are so excited.
We are.
For this video. Let's just see if they still have stuff in stock. If not, I'm gonna blame everybody for waking up.
You didn't even wake up that early. Get out of here.
Anyways, see you at the line. If there is, hopefully there's no line. I'll be lucky. I'm lucky.
Okay. Lucky girl.
Lucky but unlucky in the world.
Okay.
Yeah. Brooki, Brooki.
You got us on right now.
I'm
Hello,
Bashira.
vlog.
Hi vloggers.
I'm Bashira.
I'm Aisha. I'm Atika.
Kumar.
Hello, vlog. I'm Imran. Back for the 20-minute
Yes.
vlog, right?
Today we have a very exciting purchase. Brooki.
Brooki Bakehouse
Do you guys take
cookies
knives?
and cupcakes.
Do you guys insert the pictures here?
Should I get like a closer shot for you here?
Yeah.
You can pick it up.
Okay.
Like each cookie.
So we got 6 cookies and 2 cupcakes.
Flavors, if you remember.
So the red one is red velvet.
This one's red velvet. Oh,
Um,
it's not focusing. Okay.
the brown one, the black one is
It's a typical one. What's a normal black one?
chocolate cookie.
Yep, double chocolate.
Double
chocolate.
choc.
This red velvet.
We got the peanut butter one right there.
This peanut butter.
Biscoff, close enough,
The
close
cookie
enough.
fell off.
The Biscoff. We got 100,000s.
The birthday cake.
Birthday cake, close enough. And then we just got the typical chocolate chip
That's
cookie.
Nutella.
Nutella, yep. And then
And the last one?
that's the original typical
That
chocolate
is
chip.
New York.
No,
That's
this is
New York,
Nutella, and this is
NYC.
NYC.
Yeah.
And
This
Nutella.
is NYC.
And then the cupcakes, dah. The cupcakes is
Mm.
red velvet
Red velvet.
and salted caramel. Okay, here we go. Taste
Hey
test.
guys. Yum yum
The
yum.
nuts is this.
Bismillah.
Mm. Mm-mm.
I know.
I like it.
Okay, everyone give you a rating. Imran.
It's very nice.
5
Tastes like New York.
How many stars?
Tastes
like
Out of 5,
15?
15
Hey.
out of 5. Probably 4 out of 5. I like chocolate chip.
That's a solid rating.
4.5.
I really like this, but I don't know if I'm gonna like them once more. So also 4.5. I'll rate it a 3.5 out of 5.
4 out of 5 for me. Simple.
Alright. So I feel like I'm gonna like the other ones better. So I don't want to rate it too high. This one's chunky. And microwave. Tengok tak ada. There's no gooey man.
I think this is that one.
The first one was Nutella?
Yeah.
No way.
I mean, it has a nut on it, chocolate and a nut. So that one was Nutella just now.
Okay.
You are not gonna eat it. So this is New York.
Put in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke?
This is New York.
This one,
He ate it already.
this one doesn't.
This is cheers.
This is New York. It does taste a bit different actually.
Okay, so
It's
Nutella
about
was
chocolatey
really good.
different,
Nutella was really good.
It tastes sweeter.
Mm.
Can I change my ratings then for
Really? Yeah, so this is actually not so sweet.
Really? I think it's sweeter than the other one.
3.5 out of
It's a
5.
again
3.5.
3.5. This is sweet in a different way than the other one. Different
It's
chocolate
not-
chips. Maybe.
It wasn't as sweet as the first one, in my opinion. This is the real New York. This is one that tastes like actual New York.
From a New Yorker.
Yeah. So
You're gonna turn down the vote.
yeah, she didn't like New York that much. Probably 3.5.
3.
Whoa.
3.5 as well.
It's not as sweet, but they.
I think I changed my
taste the
first
sweet.
rating to 4.
3 is the same for me.
It's good. Birthday cake.
Can someone squish that bug? There. Ready? This is birthday cake.
Wow. Got a
Yeah.
piece. Yes. Actually, never mind. I can help you.
Birthday cake. Let's go. The mic.
Oh.
Oh,
Careful. These sunbirds are quite they're quite risky. They're willing to.
I should say sorry.
Very brave.
The bird does not wanna.
Bye.
Oh, I ate it already.
It's all being so.
Cheers.
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 This is unique. White chocolate. Is it macadamia or white chocolate? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Mmm.
Chewing ASMR. Me? Who?
Not that close.
Okay. This tastes a bit like toasty a bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Almost like cinnamon, but it's not cinnamon.
more of a cake than.
That's why. Birthday cake.
I love birthday cake. I chose this also. I was like,
Hold this.
we need to get a birthday cake.
Mmm.
5.
3.5. 4.5. Like the first one.
Same. 4.5.
Say 4.5 as well.
Oh my day. Time my mom had fish and chips. She just held the fries like this. She got one boom, slapped her hand and grabbed it.
What is this? Biscoff. How big of pieces you guys want? Because I don't want to break off.
I'm not a Biscoff fan.
Not Biscoff.
So you don't want
to try?
I'll try it, but my
Yeah,
rating
we-
probably be very low.
So we're gonna get 6 pieces out of that?
Yep.
Sure.
5. 6 for
5.
who? Who do you have here?
The viewers.
I forgot about you.
Alright,
Nice
just
that
throw it
each
in.
piece.
Already.
Biscoff.
Alright, let's try the Biscoff.
Cheers.
Biscoff.
Oh my god, isn't that a kookaburra?
Oh my god, it is. Eating a
Oh
worm.
my gosh. Sure, take a video of that.
That's a
You
kookaburra.
just ate a worm.
Capybara. Kookaburra. Where?
Bubble.
I think we're near the nest. I think. I think we're near the area.
That one?
I feel like this is near their house.
Don't hold your food up. You gotta hold shape for it. Wait, grab the food off you. Trying to hold it up.
Then I touched it.
Let me give you.
Did you at least try the Biscoff?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
She's gonna have a PTSD.
Oh,
Bye, guys. We are going to move to a new location. Bye.
We're harassed by some animals just then.
We're in a new location now. Far from the birds.
Okay, Biscoff rating go.
Oh, I was very
I feel like
underwhelmed by it.
It's kind of biased because I'm now associating with my trauma of birds.
That's true.
Especially Atika, you probably rated low,
I feel like
right?
I didn't
Yeah.
taste much.
I didn't taste it properly, but
You should
can
just
kinda
take a bit
imagine.
more.
I'm okay.
I like it. It was a bit crunchy, and I'm a Biscoff fan, so I'm a bit biased.
I would want it to be a bit
2.8.
more
I'll give it
moist.
a 2.5.
Okay.
I'll give it a 3, it's not that bad.
A 3.
A 4.
Oh, it's
We end up.
But hey!
There is a cream cheese center. So
Red velvet taste test. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, and
Which is nice.
Hmm?
Nice
I
touch.
didn't have that. I'm gonna go in for seconds. I don't have an educated guess because I had no cream cheese.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No way.
I'm a red velvet fan, so I'm very disappointed.
It tastes like a good cookie.
The middle tastes a bit undercooked.
I will give it a.
3.75.
I'll give it a 4.
I give it 4.
3.75.
I prefer it more than the Biscoff. A 3.5.
A 1.
Oh.
I'm not even like in a mood to finish it.
Again.
What? Alright, just hold it up for a bit.
No. Alright, last one. Here we go. Chocolate.
3, 2, 1, and.
Very, very strong chocolate taste. It is double chocolate.
I think Van Houten cocoa powder specific.
Whoa. I'll rate this a 4.25. I like it.
Why 2.5?
Because it's not good enough for a 4.5. I give this 4.5 because honestly, it would be nicer if it was a good cookie.
Yeah. 4.5.
Oh shit!
A 4. Nutella was better.
A 2. Tastes like a Subway cookie, but without the
Without the
white
sandwich.
chocolate chips.
the
Subway cookie without the Subway. My favorite was the birthday cookie. Birthday cake. Sorry, birthday cake. Yours?
Maybe this one or the Nutella one. My favorite was the Nutella / birthday cake.
Same.
Probably Nutella.
And that's our brookie review. It was a
Jeffrey Botanical was walking around.
Jeffrey
Botanical is his last name. Walking around.
Bartholomew Botanical.
Yeah, yes. And then one of these birds, that one that attacked Atika came down and attacked him.
It's a cookie. It
I
has a
remember
bit of
you were holding the
strawberry
cookie as well,
taste.
right?
Yeah. A brookie cookie.
I give the cupcake a 2.
I like the
This is
texture.
Yeah,
caramel.
it's moist.
You don't like it?
Not the flavor.
This is a bit more.
Here we go.
spongy. Red velvet's moist. So that one's like maybe Coles is better.
No, that's good.
This one's nicer.
Very sweet though.
Wait, can we go in
The topic is what man the good man.
What man, good man? 2.5 men.
Oh. Look at this tree. Yeah, now we know. But we're going to the ferry station. Hopefully it's open. If not, we'll just walk past here at Brisbane River. It's really hot. One stop. They call me Remilabo. What about? I'm about to make a name for myself.
There's gonna be more RV.
Yeah, ka?
Yeah. Oh, the light is.
These are South Bank. Oh, I think she's trying to hold my hand.
Depends the water.
Here you go.
And the militaries from everyone.
I wonder. Annie, Nancy Wheeler. Yippee! We're in the Ferris wheel.
and opened during the worst year of the Great Depression. Originally known as the Grey Street Bridge, July 1955, in honour of William. Further to the west of the wheel is Mount Cootha, which is location 8, at 287 metres of honey. Location 9 is the precinct incorporating the Queensland Performing Arts Centre, commonly known as QPAC, the Gallery of Modern Art.
Wow! Wow!
Welcome back to Pranksters TV. We're gonna prank these two boys. They don't know what's coming. Roar!
You can't scare us.
Welcome to the train. We are now on the train on the way back to Gold Coast.
Yes. We were from Brisbane, guys. We had a day in Brisbane.
Just
Now we're heading
explored
back. The time is 6:30 on the dot.
So if you're wondering where you're propped up right now, it's using Bashira's Octobuddy sticky thing.
Octobuddy on TikTok, link down below.
That's
Aisha's
hand.
hand.
Aisha's looking at our videos, I think.
That's her favorite pastime. She loves watching them, and I think it's really cute because I also like watching stuff back. Oh, a bit shaky, a bit not
We are actually sitting
mindful,
backwards right
not
now.
very demure.
Oh no. Oh no,
Cringy.
no.
That's so cringe.
What do you think is your favorite part of the year?
I like this part of the year actually.
Oh,
It's
this part.
this part. This
like this
part
part
right
too.
here. It's near my birthday, but it's not yet. I hate when my birthday's over because I'm very like, oh, the happy birthday.
There's
Oh,
nothing else to look forward to.
nothing else. Yeah,
But I have to wait a year for my birthday.
everybody has to wait for a year for their birthday.
No, I have to wait a year from the New Year's for my birthday.
So what's yours?
Mm,
Yusuka, Ramadan.
My favorite part. This year has been interesting, but sometimes I get mixed up between the years. So let me just think. 2024.
Okay, what's your favorite trend in fashion wise right now? What's your
Oh.
current favorite fashion trend?
I mean, I think it's been in trend for so long already, but I really like baggy. I like baggy jeans that are actually baggy, not just like a little bit baggy at the bottoms, just
no.
like full on baggy. Like, hey, is your pants gonna fall down?
Compared to like Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
Justin
No.
Bieber baggy
When
is
girls
so
do it, girls do it, it's cute.
One trend I hate: tie-dye shirts.
You've definitely made a tie-dye shirt.
We've never made a tie-dye shirt
You,
together.
for sure.
No, I haven't. As compared to a girlier style.
I'm hungry.
Let's eat one cupcake. I actually do want
Boleh
to
ke, Jap?
munch on it. They didn't say no eating anywhere. Just
Okay, well, we can't ask my cousins now because they're sleeping.
oh yes.
Nap.
Zoom 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 zoomini.
She's gonna go sleep. That's his own doing.
Hmm?
And she's just laughing at us. Oh, she's not laughing at us.
Now
Something really.
arriving at El Sandy Station. If this is your station,
She's-
prepare to disembark. This train now runs express to Bay Lake, stopping only
Excuse
at
me, my
Logan
friend's
Lake.
trying to talk here.
Customers are reminded.
I was just laughing at the video that would have been just now. The bird video. Goodness me. I'm so scared. Podcast topic, go.
Okay. Are you a travel? Oh. Excuse me.
It's like you go out, go to relax. Ano, orang jangan tengok saya. Orang like buzzy gila. Smash.
Smash.
Actually, no.
Saya nak orang belakang rumah je.
Whoever you are, just hit us up. Bashir has traveled all the way to Gold Coast to find the one, but if you're just behind her house, let me know. Just comment down below. I think I can only do a podcast when I'm feeling passionate, emotional, or sentimental.
What is it now? Tired.
Stupid.
I don't know what good content you got out of that, but I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. See you in the next clip.
The moon. You're back. From a long day.